To add a testimonial, we need to go to Carefree Estate site, go to and log into the backend. After login to the backend, you will see there are go to the pages and try to search testimonial page. Now our main page is testimonial, where we are putting our testimonial code. To add testimonial, we go over here in a testimonial panel, and from here we just click on a testimonial. Now you can see there are different testimonials available right now. So if you want to add a new testimonial, you just have to click over here, add new testimonial. Once you add it, save it. So what will happen, it will automatically display in all the other Carefree Estate sites or all the other property sites which we developed, or wherever we are putting it, or say Scottsdale, Springfield, everyone will, this testimonial will display in all the sites. So just cross check that.